When I told people I was moving to Dubai, the most common reaction was, "Are you sure?" And honestly, I wasn't. But I did it anyway. And today I want to tell you exactly why and what the first 90 days really looked like. By 2023, I had exited my export company. The corporate business was gone. I was in Mumbai trying to figure out what came next. And I kept coming back to Dubai. I had been visiting for years through my export business. I had contacts here. I understood the market, and something about this city matched a version of myself I hadn't built yet. So I made a list. On one side, every reason not to go: death, no guaranteed income, no team, no clients, starting over in a new country at an age where most people are consolidating, not rebuilding. On the other side, one reason: I had nothing left to lose in Mumbai and everything to potentially build in Dubai. The list 1. I arrived in Dubai in 2024 and the first month was harder than I expected. Not because Dubai isn't incredible, it is, but because starting over at this stage of life carries a different kind of weight. You know too much, you have seen too much. You can't pretend the risks aren't real. I tried real estate first, couldn't get an easy entry. It's a saturated market and everyone knows everyone. I pivoted. I started researching UAE company formation. I studied the market. I talked to people. I realized there was a real gap for someone who could guide Indian entrepreneurs through the process honestly, not just sell them the cheapest free zone package. And in December 2024, Trillion UC was born. What I know now, what I didn't know before. Number 1. Fear doesn't go away when you make the move. It just changes shape. It becomes excitement. Number 2. Your network is more portable than you think. The people I had built relationships with through exports and gifting, they showed up in Dubai too. People travel, connections travel. Number 3. The hardest part of starting over is not the practical stuff, it is the identity stuff. You have to let go of who you were and make space for who you are becoming. I'm still in that process and I'm documenting it here so you don't have to figure it out alone. If this resonates with you, follow me at Simaira Kusmulu for more real talk on entrepreneurship, building in Dubai, and going global. I post every week and I don't do generic advice. See you there. And if you are seriously thinking about starting or growing your business, I have a free guide in my bio. Go grab it. Link is right there.